guys. So this video is gonna be pretty quick, and it's gonna be, hopefully it's gonna help a lot of you guys. But yeah, basically I've had this problem where I couldn't open my this bottle right here. It's called Simple Truth with electrolytes bottle, whatever. And so the way you open it, because I kept opening it like this, and look at that, I can't drink out of that. Well, I mean I can, but the whole purpose of the bottle is to have that simple thing up here. So what you have to do is you have to kind of push it in a little bit and then twist it, and then bam, there it goes. You squeeze it up, take it out, boom. So I've tried a lot of things to open this bottle. I've tried to throw it on the floor. This works. I can drink it like this, but like, you know, we're gonna pretend we can see that. And so basically all you have to do is you lift this up and bam. See that? See that little opening right there? Boom. Water. Take a sip.
Oh my god!
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
Oops. Well, anyway. That's basically how you open the Simple Truth with electrolytes water bottle. I've been having a lot of trouble opening this bottle. You don't know how much I have gone through to open this bottle. I have gone over so many mountains. I have talked to so many people trying to open this one bottle, and I finally found the answer. So I hope I helped you guys. And now, a word from our sponsor.
Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go!
Hold up.
Hope you enjoyed this water bottle opening tutorial. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.